Hi, are you stuck on deploying your project for free of cost? Of course, you are at the right corner. So today I will show you how you can deploy your project using Vercel and GitHub CLI for free of cost in just 30 seconds. So without wasting your time, let's get into this video. As you can see that I have a dummy project here which I created using Next.js, and I just quickly go to my GitHub and create a new repository. In order to publish our project on Vercel, we need a GitHub repository which is mandatory. So this repository will be my first Next.js project, and no description, and create repository. So now our repository is already been created. We just want to initialize our repository. So let's go to the terminal, git init. And I don't really want to add readme file. Instead I will add my um, files here, and I would like to commit now. Git commit m, very first commit, hit enter. It says that your branch is up to date. That's fine. Let's check if we are on the correct branch. M means main. We are in the main branch, and I would like to add a remote origin. I just quickly go and copy the URL and paste in it here. So it says that remote origin already exists. That's fine because I already set it up this project for you. I just need to push my code here. As you can see, our project is now pushed to our GitHub repository. If I hit refresh, we can see that we have couple of files here. Not too expensive, just our some necessary files. And now I would like to go to Vercel, add new project. I would like to import our GitHub repository by clicking on import, hit deploy. Excuse me. So you can see that this is the simplest process of deploying your project. Doesn't matter if it is a React app, a Next.js app, or any other JavaScript library you have used. It is way easier than deploying your project on GitHub pages, which is really difficult process as I think. So you can see that within 30 seconds our project will be deployed completely. I'm just waiting for it. And 5, 4, 3, yeah. As you can see, our project is now completely deployed and it is up and running. Here you can see that this is my first Next.js project for YouTube channel Faiz Media, and you can see Vercel has given it a dummy URL by their server. So this is it guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any informational video. In future I'm going to upload some really interesting content for you. If you think that I have missed something, just comment down below, and follow me on Instagram as well. I will drop the link down below in the description. See you in the next video.